Hello again, everybody. This is Joshua Potts, Director of STEM Scouts with the Hawk Mountain Boy Scout Council. Like I've said before, the Hawk Mountain Boy Scout Council, we're Berks and Schuylkill County. We have programs for boys and girls from ages kindergarten all the way up to age 20. Cub Scouts, Scouts BSA, STEM Scouts, venturing, and exploring. If you check out our website, hmc-bsa.org, you can see all of our programs. Today we're going to work on apple decomposition. This one's going to take a few days and you're going to have to record some of the changes that you see, but what you're going to need are 2 apples, 5 plastic cups, vinegar, lemon juice, water, milk, baking soda, and a knife. So if you've got mom or dad around, you may want to ask for help when it's time to cut the apple up. I'm going to turn this camera around and we'll get started. Welcome back, everybody, to the lab. We're going to do some apple decomposition this afternoon. What you're going to need, which I already have laid out in front of me, but I'll put the list up, are apples, 2 apples, 5 plastic cups, I have glass cups, vinegar, lemon juice, water, milk, baking soda, and a knife. So if you have an adult to help you, this is a good place for that. So I've got everything lined out here in front of me, and I went and did a little bit of prep beforehand. I've got vinegar, and the way I have them laid out is I have vinegar in this cup. I squeeze some fresh lemon juice into this here. This is regular water. So this is what we call the control. This is the liquid that we will do nothing to except for put an apple in. I'll show you. This is water with baking soda, and this is just milk. What I'm going to do is simply cut the apple in half, because we need to get a couple pieces out of this apple. And if you need help with an adult, from an adult to do this, please, we want to keep everybody safe. Now that we've got our apples sliced, this experiment setup's pretty quick, like some of our other ones we've already done. But what you'll have to do is use the scientific method and observation throughout a couple days to watch what happens. So simply drop 2 of your apple slices into the vinegar, 2 into your lemon juice, 2 into the water, 2 into the baking soda, and 2 into the milk. Now, like I said, this will take a couple days. So what I've done is I've made a chart, and you can do this at home as well. This chart will allow us to track the changes that we see throughout the next couple of days. I've taken it out to 5. So I've got my vinegar, lemon juice, H2O is water, baking soda, and we got our milk. And so that way you could see how this kind of goes down over the next couple of days is I've prepared a few already. I'm going to clean up my workspace and set my new experiments off to the side. And bring out what I've set up a couple days ago. So this was our vinegar, and I'll show you that the apple still looks okay. It's a little discolored, still maintained its shape. It smells like vinegar. This was our lemon juice. The apple color is a little bit more towards the original color than the vinegar. However, you can see there's a little bit of mold and other things that have grown on it. But for the most part, the apple slice looks like an apple. This is the control. This is the water where we added nothing to it. And the apples are just kind of brown and mushy looking. This was our baking soda solution water. Okay? They're brown, moldy, and they smell like apple. They smell good. And here is our milk, which is really kind of disgusting. The milk is evaporated and dried out, and the apples have mold on them, but they maintain their color very well. Why we've done the different liquids, vinegar and lemon juice are both acids. Acids are strong. They can sometimes either preserve things very well or destroy things quickly. Like if you did the rubber egg, we know that vinegar ate away the hard protective shell of the egg, but yet was able to preserve some of the more fragile apple flesh. Lemon juice is an acid as well, and sometimes when you get lemon juice or vinegar or other mild acids on your skin, they sometimes burn or sting. That's the acid getting into your skin. The water, that was our control. Just wanted to see what that did. Our baking soda, water, I wouldn't say preserved them all that well, and the milk is just really kind of gross and disgusting. However, they all still look and resemble apples. We could use other materials, and that's what's neat about science, is if you wanted to maybe pour some Coca-Cola or Pepsi into one of your containers, maybe tried some olive oil or cooking oil, try different things, and that's how science works. Once you have an idea and see what results you get, try it a different way and see if you get the same results. And as you go through each day, maybe record day 1 fresh across the whole board. Day 2, vinegar starting to brown, smells like vinegar. Lemon juice, keeping its color. And do this for 5 days or so and see what kind of results that you do get. If these experiments are exciting and fun to you, make sure you check out stemscouts.org, and you can find a lab near you. We meet after schools in certain areas of Berks and Schuylkill County and do these experiments weekly for 90 minutes. We have adult leaders that help. You'll do some chemistry experiments, biology experiments, bridge engineering experiments. So check us out there. You'll know you're there when you see this logo. So thanks for helping with apple decomposition today. Remember, you can do any liquid that you want to in your household. Just ask for some parental help with the knife cutting, and good luck.